Hey everybody, today I'm working on my 1987 Humvee, and for those of you who have purchased them and your upper retainers aren't retaining anymore on your doghouse, it's probably because your quarter turn retaining springs, or also known as dzus springs, are missing like mine. And these springs are also used to secure the rear seats, the seat backs. And I looked everywhere to find them in town, and I was able to. Moroso makes them in 1 3/8, part number 71420. So we are going to get these old rivets drilled out and try to get the new springs in. So to do this, you are going to need a 1/8 drill bit and a 1/8 by 5/16 rivet. There's one. Now for the moment of truth. Well, they work. Hallelujah. Well, they work. Hopefully that helps somebody out. And next on this truck is the filler panels between the roof and the doors. And sometime in the near future, I'm going to be doing a 4L80E swap. I also work on F-bodies and Toyotas and whatever else, so follow along if you want. Thanks guys, bye.